In this lesson, I'm going to talk about the 3 strategies of use of the tool Kahoot. So, in terms of using Kahoot, the 3 effective strategies could be: 1. Could be used an interactive assessment of learning or interactive assessment as learning. The second strategy is you can create a student-directed lesson. And finally, the third strategy is you can build a connected global classroom. So starting with the first strategies of assessment of and as learning, the instructor can present a multiple choice or true and false quiz using Kahoot's Easy Quiz Maker. This is shown in our diagram below. Students can then use any device with an internet connection. They'll receive a password and a URL link to access the quiz, and they can begin entering it. The students and instructors see how many students are enrolled, and once everyone is enrolled, the quiz can begin. Each question in the quiz is timed, and students play against one another. This allows the instructor to see where the students are currently in their learning, and it allows them to assess what knowledge they currently have and where they have yet to come. Once the time is up, students get instant results on their device, and also the top 5 leading students are displayed on the projector. A class discussion can follow after every question. The instructor also has the ability to control the speed of the quiz. They can stop in between questions and have a discussion if they see that most of the students get the answer wrong or there seems to be a confusion regarding a question. The second strategy that can be used with Kahoot is creating a student-directed lessons. Student-directed lesson is where the students can create their own questions for their classmates. They can incorporate Kahoot into their subject-specific class presentations and engage the listeners with an interactive game. The instructor or teacher can then assess the types of questions that the students are asking their classmates and also assess the answers that are submitted for feedback. Kahoot then displays and allows instructors to download in Excel format all the answers that the students have submitted. So the green represents the answers that the students got correct, and the red represents the answers that the students got incorrect. This allows the instructor to continue discussion in order to clarify certain confusing concepts. Lastly, Kahoot can be used to build a connected global classroom. The instructor and the students can incorporate videos and pictures to be part of the game and also shared with their global Skype buddy class. Kahoot and Skype work great together, and it allows students to share their knowledge with their Skype buddy class in a different part of the world. So it's very easy to actually integrate Skype and Kahoot. You open a Kahoot game that you want to play with your Skype buddy class, and right before you actually Skype them, you click play, and both classes can then have access to the game that is projected, as well as see each other playing the game. So here is an example where students can actually use this in a global context. The teacher or instructor can take the class on a field trip to take photos and videos, capture possibly our province, Ontario. They can take pictures of the CN Tower, Niagara Falls, maple trees, etc. And once they have enough of this footage, they put it into Kahoot and educate another classroom in a different part of the world about Ontario. So here is an example of students interacting via Skype and using Kahoot with another classroom. Thank you for watching.